guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my minimal makeup look, makeup I wear when I'm in a hurry. I don't know what I'm titling this, but yeah, I look like I have a black eye underneath here. It is just mascara. But anyway, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so the first thing I usually do is my brows, and I don't really do anything like quick with these. I just do what I normally do with them. Just because I feel like if I have my eyebrows done, my makeup just looks better. So I do these guys all the same. Just walk out of the house with my eyebrows done and that's it. Just usually do the bottoms. Not that this really, I think, makes a difference. It just, I do my eyebrows quite messy. So to me, it just makes them look just a little bit better. And I just go ahead and set them. Say if it seems like I'm tired, I am. I literally just woke up and decided to film. I'm literally still wearing my pajamas. But anyway. So the next thing I do is my eyes. And this usually is the thing I don't focus on the most, which makes it easier for me to get my makeup done faster. So usually times like this, because I usually just like wearing shimmers on my lid, so I'll just take a glitter primer and I'll actually just use that as my eye primer. I mean, works pretty much the same way. Oh, and with the L'Oreal Chromatic Bronze Loose Pigment, this is in the shade As If, I believe. So stuff like this, or like a glittery eyeshadow, I'll just throw on. I'm gonna use my finger and just put this on. I'm just gonna take this really big fluffy brush, clean, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it into the crease. Just blend it upwards, so it kind of makes it look like you got something going on, but you don't. For primer, I just use a hydrating one. This is the NYX Hydra Touch one. I go in with one primer, and it's usually a hydrating one, just because that's what I like to use on the face. This is like one of my favorite primers. My absolute favorite, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Big Doe Foot, and I just wipe it across my face like so. I like using hydrating stuff on like quick days just because I have dry skin. So obviously if you have oily skin, you're probably not gonna, your routine's gonna be a little bit different than mine. With a concealer, and I just put it underneath my eyes. And I just do like a little bit underneath my eyes. I don't do anything else on my face. Concealer wise, I just do a little concealer underneath my eyes to cover up the dark circles, because even though it's a quick makeup look, like I still want to look alive and presentable. So set my makeup real quick because I like to do that. Just wipe a little bit underneath the eyes here, and then my brush. Put it in the wrong place. And then just go in with a little powder. Blush, I am going to be using the Kaja Stamp Blush. And then I blend that in, and then I just take the rest on the stamp in. Bronzer and this little tiny brush. I don't, actually, big brush. I'm just gonna get that up in there. Underneath my eyes, I just leave it. I do my usual eyeliner underneath. On days like this, I like a more separating mascara than a volumizing one. I go ahead and put a little bit on my lower lash lines first, and then I go in. I keep looking over here, and I'm so sorry, but I'm going with this Nomad Cosmetics one. This is in the shade Midnight Sun. Put it on the places I usually do. Just a little touch. And then after that, I put on my lips, which is usually just this gloss. This is the Dose of Colors gloss in Messy Bun. I usually just wear gloss. So, and that is the completed look. Yeah. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.